In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable driver signature enforcement on your Dell laptop, tablet, or traditional desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu or search bar, and then select the power icon. Hold the shift key on your keyboard and select restart, and give this a moment. On this page, select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Startup Settings. And then at the bottom, select where it says Restart. Give this a moment. And then there should be a function key option that says Disable Driver Signature Enforcement. It would be the function 7 key. You would tap that, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.